And today we're going to make a chocolate bourbon pecan pie, perfect for Thanksgiving. Here's what we need. We need some butter, chocolate, bourbon, of course. You have to have your pecans. We got eggs, dark corn syrup, and some cocoa powder. We went ahead, we did bake 2 different pies this year, so we're going to go ahead and use our little pastry beads here and pre-bake these pie crusts in the oven. There they go. And while they're baking, we're going to start on the filling. We got this beautiful dark chocolate bar that we're going to open up. And then we're going to slice it up real small. We're going to use a double boiler to melt this chocolate. There you go. And it goes, and it's going to go with a little bit of butter. This is a pretty fast process. You're going to see it start melting almost immediately. There it goes, starting to melt, and here is what you want. Beautiful. Now we're going in with our eggs. We're going in with our dark Karo syrup. A little pro tip here, you want to spray the inside of your measuring cup with some cooking spray, and that syrup will just come right out. Now we're going to use some brown sugar. By the way, if you want measurements and all that, I will post the recipe in the description box below. And here's our cocoa powder. And of course, the bourbon. It already smells so good, I'm telling you. We're going to go in with our chocolate mixture now and mix everything up. Stir it well so everything is combined. And now we're going to go ahead and add it to our pie crust. You're wondering, where's the pecans? Here they are. They go right on top. My husband loves pecan pie. He may have added a few more pecans than the recipe calls for, but that's okay. We're going to bake at 350 for about 40 minutes or so. When it comes out, give it a little shake. Make sure it doesn't jiggle too much. There you go. Perfect. Beautiful chocolate bourbon pecan pie, perfect for any holiday. The hardest part, of course, is cutting that first slice. Probably not the most beautiful pie in the world being sliced up, but it tastes good, and that's really all that matters. I think some vanilla ice cream or whipped cream would go great with this as well. This pie is delicious. I hope you give it a try.